Hello everyone, I am Dr. Keswa, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Engineering in AI SSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to discuss in details of STL iterators. STL iterators have many features in common with the pointer. We can say it is a pointer in STL or more functionality as compared to pointer. STL iterators are used to point to the elements of first class container. First class container means sequence container and associative containers. Dereferencing operator access current element. Star is a dereference operator. It is used to access the current element. And STL iterator also support plus plus and minus minus operators to move the iterators to the next element of the container. It holds current state information for their particular container. First class container member functions such as begin and end to manipulate the elements. Based upon that, iterators are in two types. One is the I iterator and O iterator. I iterator means input iterator and O iterator means output iterator. And based upon that, begin and end member functions supported by the iterator. Difference between iterator versus const iterator. Const iterator cannot modify the container elements, but iterator modify the container elements. Iterators are also used in a sequence. With sequence, also it is called the range. Sequence can be in a containers. Sequence can be input or output, and based upon that, I stream iterator and O stream iterator. I stream iterator is also called as input iterator and O stream iterator is also called as the output iterator sequence. There are different 5 types of iterators supported in STL: input iterator, output iterator, forward iterators, bidirectional iterators, and random access iterators. Based upon its name, it suggests input iterator. It is used to provide the input and it can move forward one position and can read the one element. Output iterator can move forward one position and can write the element. Forward iterators is a combination of input and output iterator, means it move forward one position and can read and write the elements. Bidirectional iterator have all functionality of the input iterator, output iterator, and forward iterator, means can move forward or backward one position, can read and write the elements. Random access iterator, again random access iterator have the all functionality of bidirectional, forward, output, and input iterator. It is or it can move forward or backward one number of positions or any number of positions, can read and write the element. This is the iterator category hierarchy, means input and output iterator functionality combines and supported by the forward iterator, and all functionality supported by forward iterator is supported by the bidirectional, and whatever functionality supported by the bidirectional, it is supported by the random access iterators. These 5 types of iterator categories: input, output, forward, bidirectional, random access. Input we know used to read an element from the container, and input iterator can move only in the forward direction from the beginning of the container to the end of the container, one element at a time. Input iterator supports only one pass algorithm. The same input iterator cannot be used to pass through a sequence twice. Output iterator is used to write an element to the container, and output iterator can move only in the forward direction one element at a time. Output iterator supports only one pass algorithm. The same output iterator cannot be used to pass through the sequence twice. Forward, combine the capability of input and output iterator. Bidirectional, combines the capability of the forward input and output. Combines the in random access, combines the capability of bidirectional forward input and output iterators. Iterator types supported by each standard library container. Vector, random access iterator supported. DQ, random access, and list, bidirectional iterator. In associative, set and multiset, map and multimap supported by the bidirectional iterator. Stack, queue, and priority queue, these are derived container from the sequence container. So these all three containers not supported by the any iterator type. Thank you. Happy learning.